Are you receiving the following error message in Microsoft Outlook which says, cannot start Microsoft Outlook, cannot open the Outlook windows, invalid XML, the view cannot be loaded? So what you need to do right now is the following. The simplest way I've actually found to resolve this problem at my workplace is you just need to start a command prompt. For example, or we can start the run. Let me just enter run. And then from the run prompt, what you need to enter is the following. Just enter outlook.exe and then reset navigation pane. So, but first of all, you want to close Outlook if you're having that issue. I'm not able to actually reproduce that same issue on this device, this Windows 11 device I'm using, but because I resolved this at my workplace, so I believe this solution could help someone. So what you need to do is click OK. And by clicking OK, you can see it's trying to actually reset the navigation pane of Outlook, and then Outlook is going to open without any issue. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video, and please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to please like and share this video. You can always comment on the video to help me grow my channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and this is a video from Kelv Global ICT. Bye.